po kami ng update sa pinakahuling kalagayan po ng Bulkang Kanlaon matapos po ang pagsabog nito last April 8.
Okay, so after the eruption last April 8, hindi na nasundan ito ng isang maliit na ash emission activity pero nasa 75 meters lamang. And that was April 8 ng hapon kasi yung pagputok, it happened early morning of April 8. But yesterday, wala po tayong ash emission activity. And for the past 24 hours, nakapagtala po tayo ng 12 volcanic earthquakes. And kahapon din, nakapagtala tayo ng 2,202 tons per day of sulfur dioxide. And kahapon, early morning, nawala po yung gas fire na sanhi ng dulot ng pagputok ng April 8. And right now, nasa alert level 3 pa rin yung Canlaon Volcano. Meaning, walang tao inside. We recommend na walang tao inside the 6-kilometer danger zone.
Sir, tanong lang, yung nangyari po na pagsabog last December, tama po no, December 2024 sumabog din itong Mount Canlaon. Anong pagkakaiba po nun sa naging pagsabog po ngayon?
Actually, almost the same po yung mechanism. Yung pagputok noong April 8 was likely due to overpressurization, similar to what we saw last December 9 last year. So last December 9, bago pumutok, bumaba yung sulfur dioxide emission, nasa 1,655 tons per day yung sulfur dioxide nung April 7. And then nung April 6, mas mababa pa ito, nasa 1,419 tons per day. So it's the same pattern that we saw before it erupted last December 9. So ito ay nagsasaad na may pressure na naiipon sa ilalim dahil hindi makalabas yung volcanic gas. Kaya biglang bumagsak yung sulfur dioxide natin. So sa kalaunan, hindi nakayanan ang pressure kaya tumabog yung bulkan.